All right, so after a lot of thinking here, I was trying to tape up on the outside of these spokes so I could have a chrome lip with black spokes. I did not want to get black paint all the way into, or I did not want to leave all of this chrome. You could easily taped around the whole spoke, but I didn't want this to be chrome. I want from the spoke around evenly to be chrome. And every time you put a piece of tape on it, I mean, it's like trying to put tape evenly around the inside of a bowl. It just doesn't quite work. So I've got a Sharpie here and a vise. I got the wheel of this car jacked up, and I got my Sharpie right where I want my tape to be. I'm giving myself a reference line when I put my tape down so I know it's exactly the same all the way around. So I've been moving this Sharpie up and down with it clamped into the vise, and I got it where I want it. And we're just gonna spin this wheel slowly. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. What it looks like when you turn the wheel. It just draws the line exactly where you want it.